so important to have events like this. I have met 10 people that could all step into the industry tomorrow.
I think it's great that Swansea do events like this because there's so many creative people here that don't get an opportunity to find that they could be involved in film. It's not America, it's not like London.
It's important to do workshops and things like this within the community because it shows people an avenue that they may not know is open to them. There's quite a lot of filming that happens here in Swansea and in Cardiff and Wales in general, to know that it is possible, it is on your doorstep.
I'm a very anxious and nervous person, so it was a bit awkward for me coming here at first, but everyone was so lovely and there's so many discussions between people, and like literally within half an hour I was at ease.
It's great to have this so local because as someone that lives in Swansea, I often feel like a lot of these events are based up in Cardiff. It's been really nice to have this kind of venue available and the just opportunity to be able to learn the skills.
Be open, be yourself, kind of don't be afraid to allow your ideas out into the group, because ultimately it's about you finding out if this is the path for you. It's not about the opinions of other people.
The courses are open to everyone, and it's great to be able to have people come along that perhaps never have done anything like this before and realise that they've got a gift for it. Don't hesitate and fill the paperwork in and book yourself on.